Getting started with storefronts on See-Through is extremely easy. Just pick a category and you'll be able to preview the available scenes and models. Once you have chosen a layout, you can try out a couple of different themes to ensure that they are aligned with your brand or creative vision and preview the scene in 360 degrees before you go ahead. Next, set your logo and match the interface color to your brand. Adding your product catalog is as easy as uploading a pre-formatted Excel file with the relevant details. You may also upload the details manually if you wish to do so, and add promotional content that can be displayed on screens across the storefront. While you may let us place the content automatically, you can also choose to do it yourself by simply clicking on a hotspot and selecting the product to be displayed there. You can also edit product details after the fact or just preview what your visitors will see when they are in your storefront. Similarly, you can just click on a screen and choose the content you want to display on it. You also have options such as changing the volume or enabling looping for any videos. Lastly, set up the spawn location of your visitors and adjust the relevant default settings to ensure an optimal experience for your visitors.